Hello, welcome back to Heat Hacks. I'm Callum here at Ambient Underfloor Heating. We get a lot of questions about thermostat wiring and how it runs back to our wiring center, and then how many loops can they control. So you'll have a thermostat per zone, and then they will control 4 actuators, which is 4 loops on the wiring center. You'll then run a 1.5 mil 3-core and earth cable to the thermostat. Your live will be running to your live, your neutral, and then you'll also have your switch live running to the A2 terminal. You'll then need a linking wire between the A1 terminal and live to get a live feed across that switch. So yeah, don't forget that. Thank you for watching this episode of Heat Hacks. Check out the details below if you need any more technical support.